So I am out here looking at, actually came to see one of the boys and seeing a barn that they just finished. So I am going to do a walkthrough. Wow, this is an amazing barn. I'm not quite sure what the size of it is. I'll have to ask. But look, you've got, I believe there's 6 stalls right here. And then he's got runs for each stall. It's not complete. They still need to put the stalls in. That is beautiful. And then here is going to be where you walk in. So there's your, he's going to be able to drive through, all the way through, because that right there is a gate. But wow, this is an amazing horse barn. I think I could be happy with this. Okay, so I am here, and I'm going to ask Cody a couple questions about this barn. Okay, so on this barn, this is a huge barn. Like, I have to go way out just to get the whole thing. What is the size of this barn?
Overall is a 69 by 72. Is a 40 by 72 main building with.
So these are these lean-tos. Is that included in that, a lean-to on each side?
Yeah, 69 by 72 with the lean-tos.
Wow. Okay, and so then, so for those people that are wanting to either build a barn or are wanting to build on their properties, if they bought raw land, what is the first thing they have to do when they are thinking of building a barn?
Pretty much what you want to think about is what you're going to use it for, and your budget, and what you can build for your budget that will suit you the best for what you need. And if you want something really fancy and you have a good budget, then go fancy. But if you just want simple and efficient, then there's always a building that can be matched to your budget normally.
Well, that's a really good idea. I hadn't thought about it that way. But this is this what you call a fancy barn? Because I kind of call this a fancy barn.
It's nice.
And look, I think this is a horse barn because there's a whole bunch of stalls, or they're going to be putting stalls in here. How long does it take you to build something like this from start to finish?
Well, we poured the concrete first, and then we built, with piers in it, and then we built the structure up from that. We did put some posts in the ground, but long story short, this took us probably about 12 to 14 working days. I'd have to go back and check. But it is a big building, and we put big rafters in it.
How tall is it?
Takes time to make it look good.
It's fancy. How tall is it?
14 foot tall down right here, or no, 12 foot tall here, and then it's 20 foot up to the eave of the top roof.
Wow. That is impressive. Well, how do they get a hold of you?
Call me.
Okay.
My phone number is 918-864-3002.
Okay, there you guys have it. If you need a barn, he will give you a quote.
Yeah, I got a good crew. Makes all the difference.
Yes, he does. He does have some hardworking crew guys. So, thank you, Cody.
Yep.